For the love of matcha.
Yes, for the love of matcha, lumuwas kami sa Maynila. Wow, lumuwas! On a rainy day. Yes, on a rainy day. After 4 hours, we finally arrived sa MOA for Manila Matcha Fest. Itong dalawa talaga yung mamatcha, pero sumama ko kasi gusto ko sanang mag-switch to a healthier option kesa sa kape. Maraming iba't ibang matcha pop-ups dito. May ina-offer na drinks, yung iba naman may mga foods din. Kung matcha lover ka, huwag mong palampasin to. Manila Matcha Fest is happening in MOA until August 31. Try different matcha combinations, meet other matcha lovers, and learn more about matcha. You can even join workshops like make your own mochi and mix your own matcha. What's the best part? Course entrance is free. So if you are on your matcha era, girl, this is it. Puntahan nyo na to sa MOA. Reaction. Ito yun. Grabe, napaka-pait.
Baka kasi banana ano siya. Kita ba na? Hindi ko alam. Nilalapit ko lang. Ngayon lang pala may kwenta ko. Kwenta ko na yung puchi.
Okay, let's try. This is it.
They're not sa miso.